Hi, in this blog I will show you how to add about page, contact page and disclaimer page to your blog and how to add these pages to the navigation. Let's begin. So I go to these pages and hit add new pages. And then I click here and I will write about and hit publish. Of course, I can also write something here. I have dummy text here. Hit publish anyways. Then I go here and add new. And right here, contact. And dummy text. I don't need dummy text here. I'll write one word, contact. Okay. And publish. Yeah. And then I will make one other page called disclaimer. And then also publish that. Yeah. Oh, I can I put dummy text here. Okay. Okay. And now I can view page, of course, and this Teams adds these pages here automatically. So to be honest, this is not the worst. But if you want to have a nice blog thing, because now if I want to go to the blog, I think the blog is in the home page, right? So we will set up that later, because homepage, maybe you want to have homepage as your landing page and then you can put your blog somewhere here, or in some cases you want to have your categories here. Let's say you have fashion blog, so you have skin, hair, clothing, shoes, glasses, whatever. You will have different categories. It is for easier for people to navigate. So okay, we have these pages and we want to add that blog thing right somewhere here. So let's go and go to this customize thing, right? Customize, and they will ask homepage settings. You want, if you choose static page, you will have that. Okay, maybe I did something wrong. So let's create page. Add a new page, right? And let's make it landing page. We can call it welcome, right? Welcome. And I will put this dummy text here, but you will have it as your landing page, right? So this is just for this setup. Okay. I have to refresh this. Okay. So I go to this home page settings and I put static page and I add this welcome page here. Okay. So now I will have this home page. If someone clicks there or comes to the main website, he will be in this landing page. Okay. Then I want to have, oh, that's all. Anyways, okay, I will not stop this video once again. So we just make this new page. Okay, so here, and this will be called blog. You will probably change this anyway, so, and leave this empty. You will probably change this anyway if you add later categories, but for now you want this to look pretty even you are building it. Okay, so I will publish it now, so this will get refresh, and then I have this welcome here. Oh no, not welcome, I'm sorry. What was the name of the customize? What was the blog, of course, and this will be called blog. Yes, and I hit publish, and this is good. This is good. Okay. Home about. So if I go to this blog, they will say that you don't have posts here. If you go to this home page, you will have this welcome, and you will have contact here, and there's nothing because we haven't Let's go to this plugins, and I hate that. Okay, and add a new plugin, and then what was that? Sorry, I have a memory problem. Contact, yeah, contact. Okay, contact. Contact form 7 is the contact. Yeah, is that one we are after, and let's install it. And personally, that writing pages and posts like that is very difficult for me, so I will, install other plugin, and it is called Disable Gutenberg, and it will be much more easier for me to create posts and pages. Okay, and then I want to install one more plugin to make my posts shareable. So and these buttons kind of look good in the blog post. So okay. Okay, so how did this blog look like? Look like this. Okay. And now, so, and this navigation thing, let's go there, like appearance and menus and navigation. Then you can create it like primary menu is or whatever you want to call it, create menu, and this will be the navigation in your website like this. It will be in this spot in your website. Okay, primary, and save. Okay, and then you will add all of these like this, and let's say you will not add welcome, you will call it home, and you will make it your first thing. Then a disclaimer and privacy. They don't, I usually put them in the footer, but they can be here, of course, because they are visible and legal and so on. Then you should have blog or categories in this spot. If you have categories, you can have them here, and then contact in here. Okay, and then hit save, and let's take a look. I think it looks. Did it save it? I hope it saved it. About, blog, contact, disclaimer, privacy. I think it looks nice. So about page is home page is here, and blog is nothing here. Okay, so contact, we didn't do that yet. Okay, let's go edit it, and so then go here, contact forms, and add Ctrl C, and go back to that contact thing, hit it, and you want to make it full, because we make it full. Update. I'm not sure what these things means. We're gonna take a look at them later. Let's take a look at this page. Okay. Okay, contact form is done. Disclaimer is done. Privacy is done. And in this privacy and disclaimer page, you want them to be full too. You don't want to have anything of this in. So let's edit page. Edit page. Close this. Make it full. View. Voila, disclaimer is full. And privacy is, where is my privacy? Where is my privacy? Oh no, this is like, I didn't update this page. I know how to work like. Anyways, this privacy thing, you want to make it full too. Update. And voila. So, oh no, I'm sorry. What the, yeah, exactly, this is right, privacy, and there is no this right left sidebar. Okay, so this is in this video tutorial. We did what I promised. I'm sorry for being so a little bit difficult, but I hope you got the information you wanted. Thank you.